Back in 1969, I looked around and I saw I had 4 beautiful children. I lived in the house of my dreams, which is not a rich house. It was just a ranch house. I was comfortable. I had a husband whom I loved dearly, and he loved me. And I thought how fortunate I was. So I decided at that time, maybe I need to put something back to life. So I approached the idea with my husband of taking foster children. We ended off with 174 children over 17 years.
Jackie and Fred both had a real set of skills that made them very effective, but it was a very happy place.
The sheer volume of people. There was always somebody talking. Everybody would talk over each other. Everybody would be either yelling or joking or playing, and the TV's going. Getting a game of baseball together, you had an instant team. 10 plus people around the dinner table.
And everybody felt welcome. I mean, it was just a way that just you wanted to spend time there. It was just a great place to be.
The harder the case, the more of a challenge it was for her, the more eagerly she would get involved. She would sink her teeth in and say, "You're not lost. I don't care that you're 15 years old and you've had this horrible childhood and everything about you is screaming, I hate you, I don't want any part of you, I don't need any help." That just made her more determined to reach through, to just break through whatever walls were up, because that kid needed it more to her.
And that's what made it exciting. That's what made it a passion. If they were just children that came in that needed a home, I don't think I would have stuck with it. It's a passion, and it becomes a magnificent passion. And you grow along with the kids you're working with. You grow also. You grow to be a better parent. You grow to learn tolerance. You grow to learn patience. You grow to learn love. You grow to learn that you can do things that you never thought you could do. And someday, when you have to account for your life at the end of it, you can stand up and honestly say, I really, really did the best I could. So that's what we learned.
I really think her love for people and her compassion for people is in a lot of ways her energy.
There's no greater way to give of yourself than to open your home and share your life with other kids. And then in this part of her career, to help other families to be able to do the same.
It's a huge legacy to pass on. Just the kids that she's helped and the foster parents that she's trained who will go on to help others.
If you don't reach out and help that child, and you don't feel it's your job to help that child, then who will? Who cares if not me, if not you? And by reaching out, you become better than you ever could be. It makes you something better. You have to live the passion, you have to feel it, but it becomes a magnificent passion.
NHS Human Services, through its subsidiaries, is one of the nation's leading nonprofit providers of community-based services. NHS Human Services provides care to more than 50,000 adults and children every year, with programs in Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, Maryland, Delaware, Virginia, and Louisiana. The NHS Continuum of Care features many unique and specialized programs in the areas of mental health, intellectual and developmental disabilities, addictive diseases, juvenile justice, special education, autism, treatment foster care and adoption, elder care, and traumatic brain injury.